Good evening. Good evening, everyone. How are you today? I hope you're in good situation now. I'm grateful and I'm happy that given me another chance to share and discuss about the important topic for us to grow our business because all of us are aiming to become successful here in Atomy business. So by the way, I am now here in Philippines. So I arrived here last Monday, early morning. So I met my partners, like my daughter and some of my partners here. So I will continue to meet all my partners from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao because that's the purpose also why I came here in Philippines at the moment. So I know that there are lots of prerequisite. It means that there are many requirements for us to become successful. So like for example, if you are an athlete, so there are some prerequisite for us to become successful as an athlete. Of course, you do a lot of training, you do a lot of exercise for you to become a good and successful athlete. Of course, here in our business, in Atomy business, we're going to tackle and discuss and going to share to you here uh, 3P. Three P's. Start with letter P, wherein it's the prerequisite for success in Atomy business. So I know you have in your mind, in your heart, on how you do your business well, because some of you here are already Diamond Master, Sharon Master, Star Master, and some of you here are already Royal Master. So you have a lots of experiences in Atomy. But I want to share to you how I run my business in Atomy since I started last year, 2024. So I'm almost 2 years in this business. So, and I'm really grateful to share to you the three prerequisite for success in Atomy business. So next slide, please, Jem. So, of course, the number one letter P is to plug in to Atomy system. Okay, so many times we heard that from our sponsors, from our company, just to plug in ourselves to our system because we know that the system of Atomy is very solid and strong. That once you plug in yourself, like for example, like here in the picture, the image that we have here in our PPT is like you are connecting to the source, right? Like the electricity. Even though you have your plug, but if you don't connect to the source of power, so the plug itself has no power. So it's very important for us to do the business, to study well, to learn more about the business. Of course, our sponsors, they are generous enough to help us to learn about the business. They are giving their time, their effort for us to learn. They're sending us like YouTube or some other avenues of learning in Atsumi business. So there are lots of videos from our CEO, Hangul Park, and from imperial masters who gone through a lots of sacrifices in their business and how they became successful. So plug-in is just a system wherein we put ourselves, we need to immerse ourselves. Okay, that's also in our we call this in our motto or in our theme this year, that to immerse ourselves in this business, to speed up, no, speed in our decision making, and to immerse ourselves in this system. So it's very important. First is to plug in to Atomy system. Learn well. Okay, next slide, please. So letter E is about keep on learning. That's what also I share on the stage the time I presented my life scenario last January 16 there in the main in Urot. No? So in our success seminar, I also emphasize on learning because in Atsumi, for us to become successful, so plug in means you have to keep on learning. All right. So that's very important. So receive all those learnings, watch videos, and many others source of learning in Atomy. So we are grateful in Atomy business because all the materials, the source of learning are all free. They are all free, like YouTube, all the videos you can search on that. So they're in our system. All the materials for learning and doing the business well are all free. That's why if once you join this business, okay, so you are not asked to pay for the website. So we can use our Atomy website free anytime, anywhere. So anywhere in the world because our business is global, right? So you all know about that. But the most important thing is to always keep on learning. Keep on learning, even though many times you heard about company introduction, you heard about the 8 steps of success, you heard many times about the marketing and compensation plan, but absorb all those learnings because that's very important. That's what also I did to myself. I keep on learning because learning doesn't stop. Okay, so as our uh, as our society being developed, so also all of us doing the business, we must have to understand the society. Okay, that's why we need to keep on learning. And then letter B, attend seminars and trainings. So it's very important. If you have a time, for example, Monday, good morning at me. So in many seminars from your group, from your lineage, so you have to attend like ABI. So some of my partners are already done. Like for example, me. So I've done also my ABI trainings. Okay, I got my certificate last 2024. So when I started doing the business, so I keep on learning as what I said. So I'm talking about this part because I did it to myself. And then I encourage and I'm grateful to all my partners that they also finished attending, like for example, the ABI, the Atomy, business invitation course curriculum because it's very important for us to learn, keep on learning. Like for example, Sajing ni Miguel and Sajing ni Donita, so they've done their also their ABI training, and all of us. It's very important because in doing Atomy business and to become successful, we need also to encourage our leaders and our lineage, our downlines to absorb all their learnings in Atomy business. Okay, so that's number one. Plug into Atomy system. Okay, so number two, letter P. Of course, number two is to pursue global lineage growth. So it's very important to grow our line, to grow our lineage, not just locally, not just, for example, me, I'm a Filipino, not just in Philippines, but I'm aiming, because that the word pursue, we have a desire to grow our line globally. Maybe you have your friends, you have your relatives, you have your family members in Australia, in Europe, so anywhere in the world, so we can ask them to join because our business in Atomy is global. Okay, one server. one ID, one code. So we can use our ID to access everywhere in the world where Atomy has been established. So by using your ID, so we can do the business globally. Wow, that's so great, right? You are the owner of the global online shopping mall, online business. So there are lots of online businesses out there like Alibaba, like eBay, so Amazon. So that's the international online market, online business. So we have also our own business, a global online shopping mall. That's why in my number two presentation here tonight that I'm encouraging you because at what that's what I did also to pursue a global lineage. Because through that, so we can make our group, maybe on your left, on your right. So you know what? The power and the more income in our business is by having uh, long and many people in our lineage. Just mark that word growth. So keep on growing your lineage. Don't be satisfied that you have your 50 person on your left, you have your 50 lineage of 50 person on your right. So keep on growing, pursuing. With that word in English, pursuing is not just easy. You have to do something special to pursue. Pursuing, like for example, you are giving time for the person to encourage them or to pursue them or to persuade them to join the business. It's not easy because sometimes we have a lot of rejection, right? That's why I'm encouraging my partners. It's okay. Don't be disappointed when there are lots of disappointment or rejection in our doing the business, in our invitation with the people that we want to be part of our lineage. It's part of doing the business. Okay, so don't lose your hope and don't be discouraged when you have a lot of rejection, right? Okay, so but keep on doing to grow your line because you know what? The more PB, because here in our business, the more PB, okay, the more commission you have. Okay, so of course, that's how it works in Atomy. The more PBs, the more commission that we have. Okay, so in letter E, under this number two, pursue global lineage growth. Letter A, grow your lineage. It is like you are just planting a seed, and then it grows, grows, and then afterwards, it bear fruits. So this time, those who are started the business, I know it's not easy, but if you have the heart to pursue to grow your line, all the obstacles you can overcome. Yes, doing the business is not easy. I will tell you that even to myself. But once you promise that you will continue to do your business, even in hard times, you can overcome all challenges. Okay? There are no successful people out there in different areas of life without overcoming challenges. That's what I want to emphasize all of us here in this Zoom meeting, all my downlines there. So you must have to overcome obstacles. You know what? The first thing that you need to overcome the obstacles is our negative mindset. Negative mindset. So if you don't overcome in yourself with that, there are many people out there have negative mindset as well. Okay, so you have to do the business with a positive heart and positive vision, a positive mindset. Okay, so that even in hard times. So what I'm going to share to you tonight is just an inspiration. It says an encouragement for us to do the business with these three P's that I'm going to share to you. The first is plug into Atomy system, and the number two is pursue global lineage growth. So under that, letter B, more action, more commission. Okay? The more action, that's what I also mentioned on the stage, the time I presented my life scenario. So thank you for that opportunity, giving me a chance to share my life scenario on the stage, the global stage of Atomy, so that male action, everyday's action, a little action that we are doing every day can make a big impact. Like for example, you are planting the seed, so you must have to water the seed, and then the plant will grows. So you have to care for that. So it doesn't mean that once you plant the seed, so you have to neglect the seed. So you must have to care for that. No, you have to water the plants, and then it grows, and then someday it bear much fruit. So that's how work in Atomy business. That's why I'm planning to travel while I'm here in Philippines. I'm planning now to visit my all my downlines, no, all my partner downlines from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Before I came to Philippines, we already talked about that. So all my partners already know that my plan. Okay, before I came to Philippines, because we talked already about that. That more action is very important. Okay, so I know all our sponsors also emphasize that word action, action, action is very important, right? So because without action, contrary to letter B, without action, of course, without commission. If you feel that, oh, I don't have any commission, maybe you have to check yourself. Maybe you don't have an action, because the more action you have, the more commission. Okay, mark that apart in letter B. More action, more commission. Without action, of course, there's no commission on that. So the simply as that. So that's number two. We have to pursue a global lineage growth. So the question here, how many people now on your line? Don't be satisfied if you have 30, if you have 40, aim for more. Okay? You can say to yourself, I want more. I want more. I want more. Okay? So don't be contented. I want more. Okay? I want more. It's very easy, right? To say that. I want more to grow your line, but you have to pursue on that. Okay, so number three, P. So, of course, it's very important in doing the business, because I'm sharing you tonight about the prerequisite, or prerequisite means the requirements, okay, for us to become successful. As I've said before I start this presentation, maybe you have in your mind how to grow your business. But for me, these 3P or 3Ps that I shared to you tonight is very important for me, and it's very helpful also to my team. Number 3P is power up your team. It's very important to power up, to encourage. You know what? From time to time, I call my uh, leaders, even though I'm here in Philippines now. But if I have a chance to call them, since I arrived, I think twice we have our video call. I call them and check them and how are you or something like that, to power up, so they can share, no, what I did to them. So I call them, and then we have our group video call just to say hello to them, how they are in their business. So that's what I did to my team, because it's very important to power up, to cheer up your team. Okay, so that's as a leader, as a sponsor, as a leader in our team. So we have the responsibility also, if you want to grow your business in Atomy, to power up your team. Okay, so I know you understand on that part. Power up is just like, okay, next slide, please. So to power up is to give time for your leaders. So as I've said earlier, I give time to call my partners so they can testify on that, like Miguel and Donita and some others partners who join us here in my Philippine line. So I call them, and then we have our video call to talk about Atomy business. So something like that. So you have to give time for your leaders and your team. That's why my number 3P is to power up. Okay, but you know what? Because maybe sometimes our leaders, our partners, maybe have problems, and then a lot of rejection. So they are being discouraged. Sometimes they are thinking of quitting about doing the business. So you have to power up to them. Okay, so you can say, Halsuita, we can do it. So never give up. It's very important because words can encourage us. Okay, so, and then of course, in letter B, train them to do the business. So training, in our 8 steps to success is about duplication. You have to train your leaders and duplicate yourself to them. Okay, so I know that this is very basic for us, but for me, what I share to you is not just a principle, but it is a tool that very helpful for me. I hope it also very helpful to you because it is a very basic principle for us doing the business, which is number one, if you remember, plug in to Atomy system. That's what I also continue to emphasize to all my partners. So my partners can tell that, no, that many times I always told them to plug in themselves in Atomy system. And then number two, just to recall to summarize, the number two is pursue global lineage growth. Okay, so and then number three is to power up your team. Okay, so give time for your leaders, give time to your lineage, to maybe you have to call them, you have to send in a message. How are you, my partner? So I'm here if you need help, something like that. So it's somehow like you are there uh, to strengthen and to power up your team, right? So because you are like also a coach, no? You are coaching your team to keep on moving forward. Okay, so because as I've said earlier, maybe your group uh, have a lots of struggles. Sometimes many of them thinking of quitting the business. So power up them, not to stop. Because you know what? Many times we heard this quitters never win. Quitters never win. But those who continue will become successful and become the winner. So that's what I can share to all of you tonight. I hope it helps because for me it's very helpful and also my team. They can share about told, what I shared to you this evening because I also emphasized this in our group. So I think before the last Friday, before I came here in Philippines, I also discussed this three piece to them. Okay, that is very important to have the strong foundation in doing the business. So and then it follows how to learn about the compensation plan. So maybe some other time. So if I have the time also to share about compensation plan, so I can share on that. And then also a lots of topics that we can learn in Atomy by having a time to plug in. Okay? So if you want to learn more, so plug in yourself. So that's all I can share. So maybe we have enough time to maybe some of you wants to share something to emphasize or any thoughts and ideas that you can share tonight for us to help one another because as a whole we are doing a business, we are helping each other even though our friends in the other line or something like that, but we are in one business, we are all atomians. So that's all I can share. Thank you very much. Good night, everyone. God bless.